In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for Business, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're organizing team meetings, scheduling personal tasks, or managing appointments, Google Calendar can be an invaluable tool for staying on top of your business activities. So, let's dive into the details and get you started on mastering Google Calendar. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Calendar's website by typing or searching for it directly. Once there, you'll need to sign in to your Google account by clicking on the Sign In button. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you use for business purposes to keep everything organized in one place. After you've signed in, you'll be greeted by the main interface of Google Calendar. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a mini calendar. This is a handy tool for quick navigation, allowing you to jump between dates at a glance. Below the mini calendar, you'll find the My Calendars and Other Calendars lists, which help you manage your own schedules as well as those shared with colleagues. You may notice different calendar views, which are customizable according to your preference. By clicking the drop-down arrow at the top right corner, you can toggle between day, week, month, or year views, giving you flexibility in how you want to visualize your schedule. Looking to the right side of the interface, you'll find optional tools like Tasks, Keep, Contacts, and Maps. These can be helpful for integrating different Google services. For instance, you can note down tasks in Google Tasks or check locations using Google Maps directly from the calendar. Creating new events is straightforward. Simply click the plus create button if you're on a desktop or the plus icon if you're using a mobile device. Enter details like the title, date, time, location, and any descriptions or reminders you find necessary. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click on Save to secure the entry into your calendar. Additionally, Google Calendar allows you to create task and appointment schedules using similar steps. If tasks are integrated into your workflow, clicking on the task option will help you manage them more effectively. Similarly, the appointment schedule feature is particularly useful if your role involves managing client meetings or booking appointments. In the top right corner, there's also a gear icon leading you to settings. Here, you can fine-tune your calendar by adjusting time zones, configuring notification settings, managing calendar sharing permissions, and altering the calendar's appearance to suit your aesthetics or team requirements. This optimization can greatly improve your day-to-day calendar interaction. With these basic functionalities, you should now feel more confident navigating